Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for joining. Welcome to the channel and welcome back to the channel if you've already subscribed. My name is Marissa Romero and today I'm going to be talking about what is email marketing and explaining what it is and giving you 7 tips to get started and how 7 tips to email marketing if you're a beginner to email marketing because sometimes you understand what email marketing is, you want to get started, but you just need a couple of pieces of advice to really get you on track. So that's what this video is for. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I make videos like this weekly and I strive for daily. So if you guys are looking for all things internet marketing and affiliate marketing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and get started. What is email marketing? Email marketing, plain and simple, is the art of emailing people that have subscribed to your list, whether you're a big business, a small business, and marketing to them via email. So what this means is if you go and take a look at your email right now, you'll probably see email from friends, family, maybe work emails, but all other emails beyond that is probably from companies that you've bought for before, companies that you've subscribed to, different businesses that you've opted in when you're interested in something or have purchased something. So, things from, Express, different clothing brands, all different kinds of brands, like ice cream brands, like when you go to the mall and subscribe to, different companies' newsletters and whatever. That is email marketing. It's when companies and people capture your information, your name and your email, maybe phone number, and they email you different things like newsletters, promotions, what else? All kinds of things. Really, the sky is the limit for what you can email market. So, chances are you're, maybe new to internet marketing and you want to get into email marketing so you can, start building your list and start emailing your list so you could start making, monthly profit and residual income. Because really, once you build your email list, it will be like your own personal ATM machine, because the way it works is you deliver value to a niche that people opted in for, you deliver value, and then you could send them something to sell. And that's how it works. So I'm going to get into now the 7 tips you need to know for email marketing for beginners if you're looking to start your email marketing business online. So tip number 1, make it easy for people to subscribe to whatever it is you're offering. Make it easy for people to opt in. So what this means is you want to have a nice landing page, or they call it a squeeze page, which is where people opt in and you collect their name and their email. I recommend just collecting first name and email because people hate opting into things just to see something. But if you make it simple and you don't distract them with other things on the landing page, then people are more willing and the opt-in rate is going to increase and they're going to give you your name and email more than likely. All right. So that's tip number 1, is to make it easy for people to navigate on your squeeze page or your website or your landing page, wherever you're collecting the lead info. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, you have to define who your avatar is. Who's your ideal audience that you want to capture, lead information from. So what that means is if you're in the, let's say, for example, the weight loss niche, and you're like someone in the fitness world, or you're a trainer or whichever, and you want to deliver value and you have a lot of expertise in that niche. So you want to figure out who your avatar is. So is that someone who's, working full time and, maybe is a little bit overweight, maybe even obese, and they are desperately looking for your product or solution or what you have to offer. If that's them, then you want to have that in mind when you're creating a new list in your email campaigns, because you want to target them, because that is your ideal customer or avatar in the long run. Once you capture their lead and you start email marketing to them, that is who you want in your email list, because those are the people who are most willing to invest with you and are most willing to buy your offer because they need it and you have the solution that you want You have the solution for the problems that they have in their life, all right? So that's tip number 2, is really identify your avatar and your audience of who you want to market to. All right, now tip number 3 is to create a free lead magnet. Now, don't just make any old free lead magnet. Like, don't make like a 2-page PDF like with nothing. I mean, make it meaningful. Make your lead magnet good. Like, make it like a nice hour-long training, you know, with maybe some follow-up trainings, or make it like a, you know, a 37-page ebook. Really something that gives someone value on the front end, because the more value you give to people up front, the more they are going to be accustomed to you and like you and, you know, appreciate your brand and get to know who you are and your brand. So they're going to stick with you, okay? Because they're going to be like, oh, that's, you know, Marissa who always gives free value, and like I'm really learning a lot from her. So, you know, make sure you, right off the bat, you present that value, that good value in the right way, okay? Tip number 4, always have a welcome email, because as soon as your leads opt in, you want to deliver what you are going to give them right away. So as soon as they opt in, you want them to have an email from you within seconds. So that email is going to be like, hey, first name, whoever they are, you know, thank you for subscribing to blah, 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 and here's the, you know, package you ordered and your free gift below, and here's the link, just click here to download, or click here to watch, or click here to whatever. So that's going to be your welcome email, and that's kind of the format that you want to keep, is introducing who you are again. Here's your free gift. Thank you so much. You know, here the next couple days I'll be sending you X, Y, and Z if you do want to give them more value in your next follow-up email series, sequence of emails. Tip number 5, encourage people to connect with you on social media. Now, I can't like emphasize this enough, because people like to get to know you, and most importantly, people buy from people. So the more they connect with you on the more social media platforms, the better, because people are going to, you know, appreciate you for more than just who you are as a business person. They're going to like and interact with your lifestyle. They're going to get to know, you know, your personal stuff other than just business. So even if you like share mindset stuff, you know, they'll be able to get your like motivational stuff that you post on Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. So people like to connect with people. They like to buy from people. No one likes to buy from just name brand companies, unless you're going to the store and getting new shoes from Nike. But that's a different story. Okay, so that's tip number 5. Tip number 6. Ooh, it looks weird on screen. Tip number 6 is to stick to the 80-20 rule when you're talking about value and selling. So you want to deliver value, 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 value in your emails over and over. Like, hey, check out how I made 11 sales in 2 days and how you could do it too. Watch here. Or, you know, 5 tips on the successful mindset, or whatever it is. Just value, value that's going to help people that have subscribed to your list. Something that's going to make them better and truly like give them advice and things they could take action on right away. So you do the 80% value, 20%, you know, sending them to your promotional offer or whatever it is that you're selling. So follow the 80-20 rule. And my last and final tip, tip number 7, is you want to choose the right email marketing platform for you and your business, because that is super important. Now, obviously, some notable autoresponders and platforms that you could use that most people start out with are Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp. So these are all email marketing service, and those are great. And I, you know, highly recommend any of them because they work perfectly. So those are some of the autoresponders you can use. Now, when you start out, when you're first building your email list, you don't have any leads. So what that membership looks like, $20 a month to $25 a month. But what people figure out right away is, well, okay, I have this email marketing platform, but I need sales funnels now. So I need a program to be able to create landing pages, squeeze pages, thank you pages, membership sites, you know, other things to run your business, because no matter what business you're in, whether it's online or offline, you are going to need sales funnels, especially in 2018 and beyond. Okay, it's just no question you're going to need to build funnels for your business, all right? So when people, realize, oh, they need funnels, people usually get ClickFunnels, which is a marketing system that is, the number one purpose of ClickFunnels is to build funnels, right? So that starting package for ClickFunnels is $97. So what you're looking at to start your email marketing business is, let's say $25 plus $97. So you're looking at, $120-ish per month to have these services. And that is why I'm recommending, my recommendation for the right platform for, beginners to start off with is a platform called Kartra, because Kartra is an all-in-one business platform that has everything and it all integrates together and works beautifully, and you don't need to sign up for any other platform. So it has email marketing, an email marketing gateway. So it has the capability of Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, and it has the ability to build sales funnels and connect the two together. So you can build thank you, squeeze pages, video sales letters. You can create membership sites. It even has its own marketplace, kind of like ClickBank and JVZoo. It has its own marketplace in the system that has a ton of affiliate products that you could start marketing. So, I can go on and on about the features, but I won't, because in the description, in the resources, I have a link where you can try Kartra for $1. You can test it out for free, or I'm sorry, for $1 for 2 weeks, and see if you like it or not, and see if it's the right platform for you. Also, if you were to purchase Kartra through my affiliate link, I have some custom bonuses to give you. All that is in the description below, so take a look. I also have resources to, what is Kartra, so to further explain and go over the business platform in depth. But like I said, I hope you got value from this video. I hope it cleared up what email marketing was, 7 strategies you can use right away to start email marketing in your business, and also the #1 platform that I recommend to get started with email marketing, whether you've been in the game for a little bit or whether you're starting out fresh in your online business, and that platform is called Kartra. So all the information about Kartra will be in the description, and also other resources. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and of course subscribe to the channel, or whichever way it's on, whichever side it's on. And I'm Marissa Romero, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have an amazing day.